Now, question number 6, all of you. Question number 6 is saying that in question number 6, they are giving us a2 comma 3. First coordinate is a2 comma 3 and b coordinate is 6 comma 7. This is given to us. A2 comma 3 and b 6 comma 7. This is given to us. Now they are saying that C is a point which lies on perpendicular bisector of AB. C lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB, okay, and they are telling us to find the value of T. So what will we do first? If they are saying C is lying on the perpendicular bisector of AB, so first of all I have to find the equation of perpendicular bisector, okay, of AB. So for perpendicular bisector of AB, that will be my first working. Midpoint of AB, what will be the midpoint? X1 plus X2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So 2 plus 6, 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will be 4. 3 plus 5, 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Midpoint AB is there. Okay, midpoint AB is there. AB midpoint. After that, gradient of AB will be what? Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1. So Y2, that is 7, minus Y1, that is 3, over X2, that is 6, minus X1, that is 2. So when I will simplify it, M of AB, my result will be 7 minus 3 will be 4, 6 minus 2 will be 4, the result will be 1. For gradient of AB, the result is coming 1. Okay. Now, once I have got the gradient of AB as 1, what will I do next? I will use these, okay? I will use these ones to get my further result. Gradient of perpendicular bisector. Negative reciprocal of this, so reciprocal of 1 will be 1 over 1 and negative of positive sign will be minus 1. So it means the gradient of perpendicular bisector will be minus 1. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector is passing from this point and gradient is minus 1. So y equals to mx plus c. Y is given to me as 5. M is given to me as minus 1. X is given to me as 4. 5 equals to minus 4 plus c. 5 plus 4 equals to c. C equals to 9. Okay. C is equals to 9. So y equals to m, that is minus 1. X plus 9. So y equals to minus x plus 9 is the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Is the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. So A, B, joint line, equation of perpendicular bisector. Equation of perpendicular bisector is coming y equals to minus x plus 9. Okay, now they are saying that this C, which is 7 comma t, is lying on this line somewhere. Okay, I can make it anywhere. I made it like this. Okay, now they are saying that this C is lying on this line. I have to find, okay, I'm not making it at the edge. I'm making it a little bit over here. Okay, just so that, okay, it is not at edge, it can be anywhere. So C is over here. And they are saying that C is on this line, find the value of T. So always remember that if a point is on a line, then I can put the coordinate of the point in the equation of line and both sides will be equals to each other. Okay, both sides of equation will be equals to each other. Again, I'm telling you, if a point is on a line, then the coordinate of this point can be plotted in the equation of line, and after plotting the coordinate in the equation of line, we will say both sides should be equal. Both sides will be taken as equal. So what is the coordinate of C? It is 7 comma t, plotting it over here. So y is t minus x is 7 plus 9. So minus 7 plus 9, t is coming 2, and that's your final answer for value of t. Okay. Now, next thing. Same question I've got another part. What is that part? In that part, they are saying that find the coordinate of D. I have to find the coordinate of D. Okay. And I have to find the coordinate of D such that AB is perpendicular bisector of CD. I have to find D somewhere, I don't know where, but when I will plot it, it should be like that after plotting D, AB should be the perpendicular bisector of CD. Okay, so first thing first, see beta, this is going to be D. Why I am so sure it has to be over here? Because they are saying that after plotting D, AB should be the perpendicular bisector of D. So AB should make a 90 degree over here. And how will AB is making 90 degree? Because CD is also making 90 degree of A on AB. First of all, this line was perpendicular bisector of AB. Now, D has to be there, by which AB will become perpendicular bisector of this one. So perpendicular is already there. AB is already perpendicular on this line because this line is perpendicular on AB. Now I have to find the coordinate of D. So see beta, what I have told you that perpendicular bisector always passes from midpoint. Perpendicular bisector always passes from midpoint. It means what? It means that this point is the midpoint of AB, and the same point will be the midpoint of CD. Why this is happening? Because in this situation, AB is perpendicular bisector to CD and CD is perpendicular bisector to AB. It is just like this line, and I want to make them like this. This one as a perpendicular bisector of this, maybe a little bit over here and there, and this first one is the perpendicular bisector of second one is the perpendicular bisector of first one. It means both will pass from each other midpoint. It means this point is the midpoint of AB and this point is the midpoint of CD also. What I can say with that? I will say, according to this situation, as both are referring same point as a midpoint, so I can say midpoint of AB will be equals to midpoint of CD. Okay, now midpoint of AB. What was the midpoint of AB coming? 4, 5. Oh, I've already found it. 4, 5. Midpoint of CD. Now for D, I don't know what are the values, so I'm writing them as X and Y. I don't know the coordinate. For C, it was 7 comma t, but the value of t I have found, so that will become 2. So I will find the midpoint of CD and I will compare it with the midpoint of AB. Okay. So for CD, x1 plus x2, 7 plus x divided by 2, 2 plus y upon 2. Okay. X coordinate of midpoint, y coordinate of midpoint for AB, x coordinate of midpoint, y coordinate of midpoint for CD. Now what will I do? I will compare coordinates. We will compare the coordinates. How? First of all, x coordinate. X coordinates comparison will be done. So 4 equals to 7 plus x over 2. 2 shifted over here. 8 equals to 7 plus x. 8 minus 7 equals to x. The value of x is coming 1. Okay. In the same way, y coordinates will be compared. Y coordinates will be compared. So 5 equals to 2 plus y over 2. 2 shifted over here. 2 5s are 10 equals to 2 plus y. 2 shifted over here. 10 minus 2 equals to y. 10 minus 2 equals to 8. So the coordinate of D is coming 1 comma 8. If I will plot 1 comma 8 over here, because of that, AB will become perpendicular bisector of CD.